Have you ever found yourself automatically smiling when you see someone else smile? Yawn right after seeing someone else yawn? Or feel a pang of sadness during a poignant scene in a movie? These everyday experiences of shared feelings and reactions might be explained by the workings of special brain cells known as mirror neurons. Discovered in the 1990s by neuroscientists, these neurons have opened a new realm of understanding into how we interact and connect with others. Mirror neurons are fascinating because they activate when we perform an action ourselves and when we witness someone else performing the same action. This dual activation suggests that our brains have a built-in mechanism for empathy and understanding, paving the way for deeper insights into human behavior. In this video, we will explore the discovery of mirror neurons, delve into their functions, and discuss their significant implications for our social lives and interpersonal relationships. Welcome to our channel. If you're new here, hit subscribe to stay updated with our new content. Also, if you like what you see, hit the like button and ring the notification bell. It really helps us out. Now enjoy the video. Mirror neurons are a distinct type of brain cell that uniquely respond when you perform an action and observe someone else performing the same action. For example, when you grasp a cup, specific neurons in your brain fire to coordinate that action. Intriguingly, many of these same neurons activate when you watch another person pick up a cup. This phenomenon was first observed in the early 1990s by neuroscientists in Italy who were studying the brains of macaque monkeys. They found that specific neurons in the monkey's premotor cortex, an area involved in planning and executing movements, were active during both the observation and execution of motor tasks. This groundbreaking discovery led researchers to believe the same thing happens in humans. Further research has supported this and found that human mirror neurons are likely located in several brain areas. These areas include the premotor cortex, the supplementary motor area, and parts of the parietal lobe. These areas are crucial for understanding motor actions and the intentions behind them, which is essential for social interaction and communication. The implications of mirror neurons extend beyond mere imitation. They suggest a biological basis for how and why we can intuitively understand others' actions. For instance, when you see someone smile or frown, your mirror neurons for facial expression fire up, providing a clue to what that person might be feeling. This automatic mirroring explains the rapid, subconscious way in which we often understand complex social cues and respond appropriately in social settings. Mirror neurons also have potential implications for learning by observation. For example, when children watch their parents or peers, mirror neurons may facilitate the direct understanding of the actions, helping the children learn how to perform these actions themselves. This capability could play a significant role in the developmental process, as acquiring new skills often involves imitating others. Mirror neurons play a critical role in our ability to empathize with others and understand social interactions. Their unique function allows us to connect to others' experiences, providing a foundation for empathy and social understanding. For instance, when you see someone smiling, laughing, or even crying, your mirror neurons activate as if you were experiencing these emotions yourself. This can make you feel happy when you see people laughing around you, or sad when you see someone crying. This immediate and automatic response helps us to connect with others emotionally, sometimes before we even understand the full context of what is happening. This is why we might feel unexpectedly emotional during emotional scenes in movies. Our mirror neurons are at work, making us feel like we're part of the story. Mirror neurons also help us understand people's intentions, essential for navigating interactions. By observing someone's actions and facial expressions, we can often guess their emotions and intentions without them saying a word. For example, suppose someone is clenching their fists and frowning. These neurons help us to recognize these signs of anger, and we might understand that they are upset even if they haven't explicitly said so. This ability to read others' emotions and intentions without verbal communication is crucial in social settings, where understanding and responding correctly to cues can be just as important as the words used. Furthermore, mirror neurons might also influence our moral decisions. Feeling a version of someone's pain or joy might help us to act more compassionately. For example, seeing someone in distress and feeling that distress ourselves can inspire us to help. This connection may be a fundamental part of developing a sense of right and wrong and learning to behave in socially acceptable ways. In educational settings, the impact of mirror neurons can be seen in how children learn behaviors. As children observe the actions and reactions of their peers and adults, they mimic these behaviors, which helps them understand their social environment. This mirroring process is not just about copying what they see, but about understanding the reasons behind behaviors and the reactions they elicit from others. The role of mirror neurons extends to our ability to adapt to new social environments. By mirroring the behaviors of others in new settings, we can learn the social norms of different groups. This adaptability is crucial for integrating into new circles or cultures, allowing us to connect with a diverse range of people. Overall, mirror neurons provide a powerful tool for building relationships. They help us understand others, predict and react to their feelings and intentions, and learn and conform to our culture's social norms. Mirror neurons are fascinating not only because they help us understand and share feelings, but also because they play a crucial role in how we learn to speak and behave around others. These particular brain cells are deeply involved in our ability to pick up language and social cues from the people around us. When it comes to learning language, mirror neurons are critical. Imagine a young child watching their parents talk. Their mirror neurons are active as they observe, helping them internalize what they see and hear. This isn't just about copying sounds, it's also about understanding gestures and facial expressions accompanying words. This complex process helps children practice the language in their minds first, making it easier for them to speak it out loud later. Over time, this allows them to speak fluently and understand the subtle ways people use language to express feelings and ideas. These neurons also help us grasp the social use of language, like the difference between a serious request and a joking one, based on someone's tone or facial expression. This deeper understanding helps us communicate more effectively because we understand the word's emotional context. Beyond language, mirror neurons help us understand and fit into our social world. From a young age, we learn to read and mimic social cues, learning how to act in different situations. This learning is crucial as we grow up and must navigate complex social settings, understand cultural norms, and work well with others. Mirror neurons also allow us to understand and adopt various social roles, giving us insights into how to behave in different social scenarios. This flexibility is critical to getting along well with others and adjusting to new social environments. For people with social communication challenges, such as those on the autism spectrum, there might be differences in how their mirror neurons work. This can make it harder for them to mimic and understand social cues naturally. By studying how mirror neurons function in these cases, scientists are looking for ways to help. For instance, therapies aimed at boosting mirror neuron activity could improve social skills and communication abilities for those who struggle in these areas. In summary, mirror neurons are vital in helping us learn languages and understand how to behave around other people. They are at the heart of our ability to communicate and understand the unspoken rules of social interaction, playing a pivotal role in personal development and social harmony. Mirror neurons are more than just fascinating scientific curiosities. They are vital to the fabric of our social interactions and our capacity for empathy. By reflecting the actions and emotions of others within our own neural circuits, these special neurons play a crucial role in helping us understand and connect with the people around us. Whether it's sharing a laugh, feeling someone else's pain, or picking up subtle social cues without a word being spoken, mirror neurons enhance our ability to engage with the world in a deeply empathetic and intuitive manner. The discovery of mirror neurons has expanded our understanding of the human brain and opened new pathways for exploring how we develop socially and emotionally. They underscore our inherent connectedness, a biological basis for our ability to empathize, learn from one another, and live together in communities. This understanding can lead to more effective ways of teaching, creating more empathetic societies, and even developing therapies for those who struggle with social interactions. As we continue to study and learn more about mirror neurons, the potential to positively impact education, therapy, and social cohesion is enormous. These neurons remind us that we are, at our core, social beings wired to connect and share experiences. Their study reaffirms the importance of relationships and social interactions in shaping not only individual lives, but also the broader fabric of society. By fostering a greater understanding of how we connect with and respond to others, mirror neurons hold the key to building a more empathetic and cohesive world. Thank you for watching. And remember, the very fabric of our human nature is woven with threads of empathy and understanding, mirrored in every interaction. Let us continue to reflect the best of ourselves in others, for in their stories we find our own. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed our video. Remember, if you liked our video, please hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell below. It really helps us out.